Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a red X on speaker icon Windows 11. So how to do the fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that right click go to your task manager. After opening that, scroll down and find out of Windows Explorer. Now here is the Windows Explorer. Select it and click on a restart. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a services. Open a services, and after doing this chat, find out a Windows audio. Open it and make sure that is selected automatically.